Hi, welcome to Traveling as a Plus. This is my husband. Some of you may know him as Redbeard Flynn. Some of you may know me as Bluebell. Welcome to our snack edition of Traveling as a Plus. We are going to try Snack Crate. Neither of us have tried it before. So we are going to see what this one is all about. Normally we order from Universal Yums, but we have been doing that one for several years now and decided to try something a little different, a little new.
I know absolutely nothing that's in the box.
I don't either. They literally were just like, here's your snack crate. They sent it. I bought it. They sent it. Sorry. It's like substantial snacks too, y'all. Substantial. This thing is packed.
Substantial snacks.
Substantial snacks. So it's like packed, and so we're gonna find out what's in it. Okay.
Canada! That was probably pretty loud.
That was probably really loud. I almost F-bombed, but I didn't. Okay, let's see. Okay.
I have ruffles.
Okay, so cotton or kerfuffle. Oh my god, these are awesome. Okay, so Canada. I'm not going to read everything about it, but we're just going to kind of dig in and see what this box is all about. Got a lot of chips in here, y'all.
It has ruffles.
It has ruffles. That's an American thing, too. Yep. Alright, so let's start with that one.
All dressed. Can't see it. It's in French.
It is in French.
Essayons. Essayons.
Remember, it's going to be backwards.
Okay. It's ass, A's, onis. I'll put it up right here. I'll spell it.
Okay.
Here.
That sounds good.
I don't know. It's got peppers on it.
It does.
It has
onion.
simulated flavor.
Simulated flavor. The object today is we're going to try these snacks. We're going to rate these snacks, what we think, and kind of describe what they taste like.
I don't even know what that tastes like.
I know. It's kind of interesting.
It's like a little bit of a ketchup, almost.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Kind of a ketchup-y. What we're really hoping for here, y'all, is some funny, awesome faces from Mr. Redbeard here, because he likes.
I don't make faces. Okay. Yeah, it's I don't know. it's
They're
like
a little salty, a little vinegary.
salty vinegary ketchup.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, and our puppies are here too, so they may make an appearance.
They may. The puppies like to get in on things. Okay, wait.
Oh, we gotta rate it.
Yes. I'd say that was about a 6 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Now this one says ketchup. Well, actually,
Shit.
flat out says ketchup.
Old Dutch ketchup, and it's got a
Oh,
ketchup bottle.
it does.
Can you see it?
He's kind of cool looking. He's got sunglasses.
He's bleeding out of his head,
Oh.
but he's fine with it.
Yeah.
He's like, "This is my life. It's okay." What?
Just you. Yeah, I see it. I really do.
Quality lives here. I'm not gonna. That one's in French.
That one is in French.
Icky, Rigny.
Please. Oh no.
I'm
so
sorry.
Canada and French speaker.
I'm sorry for anyone who
France.
speaks French.
French speakers all across everywhere. I can count.
It broke.
That's about it.
Oh god.
Oh, these are.
Oh, that is a strong smell of ketchup.
Is it? Ooh, it is. Oh, look, babe. A heart. Mine's a, no, yours go in the mouth. Mine's a heart. Because guess what? I heart you.
I don't heart these.
Oh.
It's like eating ketchup.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the heart. Oh god.
That is strong as fuck. Oops.
We're just gonna have to come with a PG warning. Or not PG warning. Mature audience warning. There we go.
You knew that was gonna happen.
I really did. I should have been prepared. Yeah, no, that's super. That's like licking ketchup just off the plate. Not that I've done that. That's gross. But that's
Worse than that. It's like saltier.
Because it's like baked in. Like that ketchup flavor is baked in.
You like ketchup.
I mean, yeah. Okay, that one for me was like a 2 out of 10.
3.
Wow. You get higher than me.
Still means I wouldn't eat it again.
Yeah. Humpty Dumpty.
Potato sticks juliennes. Julienne.
It says bacon on it. I mean, I'm already for it.
Humpty Dumpty's on here too.
Humpty Dumpty. It's gonna be backwards, but that's okay.
I'm showing the pictures.
Oh yeah, there's backwards pictures.
What's your...
Ooh, yeah.
You like sticks?
No. Really? You can go there.
Okay. Okay.
You like those?
I'm okay with it.
I mean, the aftertaste is very like. I don't even know how to describe that. It doesn't really taste like bacon to me.
It's like barbecue corn nuts, but with on potato stick.
Yeah, I can see that.
Not bad.
For me, that one's a 4 out of 10.
6.
Hmm.
I usually 6 in French.
I can count to 5.
You know how you say 6 in Canadian? 6.
There it is. That's exciting. That's really exciting.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Beck Cola.
It looks like a little maple leaf. That's so cute.
It's got
Nope.
French on it.
That's French.
It says it's with maple syrup. Is this twist off?
Oh, I don't
I'm
know.
about to find
Good
out.
luck. It is. Oh, at least you need a shirt. Tasha. Look at her. She's like,
oh,
what's
this is
happening?
not-
No, it's not a twist off.
No.
Okay, well. Here. In the middle.
You're gonna kill us.
Yeah, I probably am. Probably shouldn't do that. I don't think I was doing it right anyways. I don't know. That's the thing. They're kitchen shears. Don't snap the puppy.
There's a dog there.
There is a dog here.
Can you pick her up?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. She's a little.
Oh, this is gonna like fuck up all of my equipment.
Yeah.
We'll come back to
Oh.
this.
Here's a Sasha. A Sasha. She says hello.
No, she's gonna freak out.
Yeah, she is.
Say bye,
A
Sasha.
lot in here. This
No,
is
no.
really cool, y'all. Oh, looky here.
Smarties! These are the freaking best.
Guess what? I'm gonna take the blue ones because my name is Bluebell. Smarties. Same amount, less packaging. Nestle Smarties. Nice.
I didn't know they were Nestle.
Yeah.
They're very good though.
Yeah. Where do you know these from?
England.
Yep.
England.
England.
Would you like some Smarties?
No,
Why not?
not my favorite.
They're delicious. I absolutely love them.
I don't know. You
I
can't have
am
Smarties.
sorry for this. This got weird.
Now you're like doing Scottish or something.
It's the Smarties.
It is. Yep.
Oh, we didn't rank.
I'm sorry, we didn't rank them. I'd say 7 out of 10.
8 out of 10. We didn't even explain what they taste like.
Oh, because they're like chocolate with candy coating.
It's like so, but there is another one that looks very similar to this. So how are they different from an M&M?
Oh,
To me, they're sweeter.
they are sweeter than M&Ms.
Like the candy coating has more taste. M&M is just kind of there
Right.
in a lot of ways. They're sweeter.
And then chocolate's a little different. Because it's Nestle chocolate. Okay.
Real fruit gummies from Dare. Isn't that the anti-drug thing?
Yep.
Dare not to do drugs.
I remember those. Was it McGruff, the dog, was part of Dare?
Probably. Probably. Some weird shit.
Thank you.
Hey,
This one looks like
this is supposed to be a real fruit. What fruit looks like this? I ask you.
that's from the top.
What is it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Just saying. I think mine's cherries though. I like cherries. Very chewy. Like stick to your teeth chewy.
A bit like wine gums.
I don't know what one
They're not like super sweet. They have some sweetness.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. Thank you.
Ooh, that one was good.
Which one was it?
I don't know. Good though. 6 out of 10.
7 out of 10. They're good. They definitely have like an actual. They don't taste like just a gummy. Like, they taste like they do actually taste somewhat like fruit. Me.
They do. Chunky KitKat Popcorn.
Whoa!
Oh, it's a little.
That
It's a little.
sounds
It's a
delicious.
little melted.
We are in Texas, and the heat probably got to this box before I could pick it up out of the mailbox. So, because it was 90. Oh, geez. Yeah, it's a little melty. It was like 93 yesterday, 94, something like that. Degrees. You know that's not how you're supposed to eat a Kit Kat, right? Oh, your face. There it is, everybody. There it is. I'm excited. There's so much melty goodness in it.
No,
Mm-hmm.
you'll probably like.
It's like popcorn and a Kit Kat. Oh my god. That is so good.
We disagree.
We definitely disagree. I love it. I love popcorn and I love Kit Kats. I mean, how can you go wrong?
That way.
No, absolutely not. This thing is delicious. I love it. It's literally like, it's on, the popcorn's like flavors on top of the Kit Kat. So you kind of get that, well, when you bite into it, you get the chocolate at the bottom, but then like that flavor on top, the popcorn flavor like comes at you.
Problem.
No, it's really not. Okay, so this is a 9 out of 10 for me.
It is a 4 out of 10. Pure maple syrup.
Lollipop. A lollipop.
How are we gonna eat that one?
Yeah, nice. Figure it out. I don't even know how to open it. Nope, that little thing there doesn't do anything.
With brute force. That's how.
Brute force. Sweet. But we can just like taste. We are married. Like we've been married. Oh. Don't break your teeth. Huh.
Oh god, that's sweet.
That is, oh. That is really sweet.
That's very sweet.
Mm.
I see why you're not supposed to take a bite out of it. You're supposed to just lick it.
Yeah.
But I don't want to gross anyone out by sharing it.
That makes sense. Now he's the one that's hurting. Ooh. Such a stuff.
Oh, it's a lot.
That is a lot. I will be honest, I'm not a maple syrup person. So, me, that's like a 3 out of 10.
I think if I had had it the right way, it would have been 6 out of 10. The way that I had it, 3 out of 10.
Yeah. That makes sense. Aw, this is cute.
Bear paws, banana bread.
No,
Huh.
not as cute anymore.
She doesn't like bananas.
I hate bananas.
On our bananas.
Oh, maybe. No.
Pon.
Fun.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't. It's like a golf ball in my mouth. I'm sorry. No, puppers.
Oh my god, they're like little paws! That is cute. They're little paws. Little bear paws. The ones that apparently would not hurt you. Well, they might hurt me. Oh, it's banana. Bless you, Sasha.
Very banana.
Mm. Oh my god.
It's very banana.
It's so banana. It's so... Oh my god. I mean, at least it's kind of moist. It's not like... I know I said it. I said the word. I know. But... Next?
Wait,
No, no, you need to do it. You have to say... Oh, I have to do it too. I was gonna skip because, no. That's a 0 out of 10 for me because I hate banana. Like, I hate banana with a passion. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry.
I'm not a huge fan of bananas being mixed in with stuff, so I'll just give it a 6 out of 10. But that's any kind of banana. Otherwise, like, it is moist. Like, if you like banana bread,
That's true.
it's probably like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah. Okay, I'll change it to a 1 because it is actually, like, the integrity of the snack cake is actually, like, it's not, like, crazy dense, but it's dense and moist, so dense and moist. I don't know what's better, moist or wet. I don't know. What do you want me to say?
Okay,
Yeah.
moving on.
Moving on.
Water bridge. Is a water bridge moist or wet?
I would say wet.
Sesame!
That's so good.
Well, they're little crackers.
Little crackers. Little Sesame Crackers. Oh, they're sweet. I was not expecting that. I was expecting...
It's halfway between a treat and birdseed.
I was expecting more like the Japanese treats that we've had with sesame. So I was expecting like savory, not sweet. Like a savory kind of cracker. These are actually good. I like them. It definitely tastes like sesame, so if you're not a sesame fan, you will not like this. But it's sweet and sesame. I like it.
Sweats me.
I would say an 8 out of 10. That's actually pretty good.
7 out of 10. Macintoshes. Creamy toffee. This looks delicious.
Yes.
High expectations. Oh my god.
How do you eat
So,
this?
look.
It doesn't... I don't even know. Oh, baby. Stuck. It's stuck? Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay.
Okay, good.
It tastes good? Well, that's good. It's stuck on your teeth, so I'm really happy that it tastes good. Because it'd be worse if it wasn't.
So, yeah. It tastes good. It is very dense. The other corner.
The other corner.
I don't know how you're supposed to eat it.
Yeah, does it
Does
say?
it come with
Does it
instructions?
come with instructions?
Nope.
Okay.
It's good though.
I haven't even really been able to taste it yet. I mean, yeah, that's good. So have sesame in my mouth. Like, the sesame flavor. It was good. I mean, you can't, yeah, like you said, I don't know how to eat it. You like that? I don't, you hurt yourself. But, you liked it.
Hmm.
I don't know what's happening. Oh, there you go. Good. I'd probably give that a 6 out of 10 just because that seems like it might be a... Give it an 8 out of 10. What he's saying while he's trying to chew. Yep. It's a really good flavor, just not quite sure how to eat that. Seems like it might be a little difficult. A little bit.
No surprise, it tastes like toffee.
Well, this one.
It's basically like, we didn't talk about the taste. It tastes like toffee.
Oh, yeah.
It tastes like toffee.
Tastes like toffee.
Very, very, very dense toffee. But it has a very nice flavor. What are these? Glosette raisins. Ooh.
He loves chocolate covered raisins.
I got a giant one. It's one raisin.
Not one raisin. Somebody ate the whole thing. Oh. They're like, yeah, more melted goodness from the Texas heat. See, mine's all clumped together too. Oh, scheiße. Oh. It's under Berkeley. It's under Berkeley.
It tastes a little different. It's not... I guess my expectation was raisinettes. And it tastes different. I don't really know.
I think it's the chocolate.
It is the chocolate.
Oh, they're really good though.
Yep. I give that...
They're a little extra sweet. Is that why you're thinking Raisinets or dark chocolate? Homework for next time.
I would give it a... I'd give it a 8 out of 10.
I think I'll agree with that. 8 out of 10.
A light, like...
Right on your face. Don't know what time it is. Sun is setting. That's my Redbeard. That's all the snacks, except for the drink. We have the drink still.
We're It's open.
It's open.
It is Beck Cola. That's all it says. It says with maple syrup.
Delicious soda that is uniquely Canadian, not only because of its ode to Quebec, but also because it is sweetened with natural maple syrup. It definitely has a different taste.
Bad one. Sorry, Canada.
Canada is on our list to go to. We haven't actually. Well, say the back. I haven't been to Canada. Been to Canada.
Toronto.
Mm-hmm.
It was nice. I enjoyed it.
I would have enjoyed it too if I had been able to be there. Somebody decided to take a work trip. Well, I had work in here that I could not leave for.
Drink your soda.
I mean, it's definitely different. It's a different flavor because you can definitely taste the maple syrup.
What would you rank it?
Maybe about a 5 or 6 out of 10. 2. But okay, to be fair.
Ooh, be fair.
To be fair. He doesn't really like cola to begin with, like Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola would also be a 2.
Yeah, so take that however you would like. Just like me and the banana. Take it how you would like to, because
I like banana.
I know you like banana. I buy you bananas from the grocery store. Yeah, 5 for me. The box, though. Okay, so let's talk snack crate. What do you think of like the number of snacks? Because it's price comparable to what we were purchasing for us already.
It's very comparable. There's a lot of snacks.
There are a lot of snacks.
Let's see. You can't read any of it, but you can see all the different snacks.
Yeah. And it comes with a little blurb about it. So what we're used to getting is like an actual. Those aren't ones that are.
We didn't get dill pickle popcorn.
We didn't. Or the O. Henry. Or that.
So apparently there's other ones that you could have gotten. There's Big Turk, Swedish Berries, Cadbury Caramilk, got the raisins, dill pickle popcorn.
We actually have dill pickle popcorn here in Texas.
Passion Flaky, Doritos Zesty Cheese. Oh, Henry. Nestle and Covered Bridge chips. So we had Wet Bridge. Oh, sorry, Water Bridge.
Water Bridge. That was good. I liked it. Yeah.
It was good. Good purchase.
Would you do snack crate again?
Yeah, it's a different country.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
I'm pretty sure they do different countries. Just like, yeah, I'm pretty sure. So, anyways, that is good to know.
Gonna say bye?
No.
No?
Because I never want to leave.
I do.
Oh. I was gonna say aw, and then that just turned out not. Anyways. Alright. Thank you for stopping by our channel, my channel, not his channel, my channel, and checking out Traveling with a Plus, traveling from home these days until we're able to go on a plane again, which is hopefully soon. We are traveling from our house with snacks. So check out all of our videos so far. There's now 2. This is the second. 2. Who's
The
our
Judgment
theme
Day.
today? What?
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 Snackbox 2 Judgment Day.
Okay.
Because we judge snacks.
We judge snacks.
And
On
Terminator.
YouTube.
The YouTubes.
Oh my god, we're weird.
You started it.
I did start it. Yeah, okay. But I enjoyed it, so rate the entire box. How do you think their box? All the snacks.
6 out of 10.
I'm actually gonna be right there with him on this one.
I say 1, 2, 3, 4. This? That's Spanish.
That is Spanish. Sex. That's German.
What?
Yeah. German, y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Roku.
Roku. Oh, you can see. You can see our
there's
dog.
A puppy in the lights. Look, they're still there. There's a tail. Or something. Yep. I don't know what that is.
Or a ghost.
What's happening? That could be a ghost too. I don't know.
If you like what you saw, please please like and subscribe. Sasha likes it. If you want more that is not this, you can find me at twitch.tv/RedbeardFlynn. You're right here somewhere. You can also find me on YouTube, Redbeard Flynn. Yeah, Twitter, Redbeard Flynn. Where can you find you?
You can find me at here. Traveling with a plus. You can also find me on Instagram at curvy_bluebell or curvy bluebell. Figure that one out.
I'll put it right here.
Okay. And I sometimes join my husband on Twitch. So sometimes you will see Bluebell take over the stream. You can pay points to get Bluebell to take over the stream.
Channel points.
Channel points.
You don't pay money.
Sorry, channel points to see Bluebell take over the stream for a few minutes. So come see us. Hope you enjoyed it. We've got plenty more coming. Thanks for stopping by, y'all.
We're recording.
Hi, everybody. Hello. Thank you for joining Traveling as a Plus and checking out our video today. This is crap.
Keep that in.
Oh, don't keep that in. That's horrible. Really? Okay. So,